YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Guys, I'm whispering because it is literally 7 in the morning. Everyone is asleep. If you guys are not already subscribed to my second channel, please go do that right now. The link is down in the description below. Click that link. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 1K on my second channel. Also, guys, you guys want to copy 26 King Wavy merch, 26 King Wavy do-rags, products, whatever. You already know what to do. Link is down in the description below. Also, it's gonna take you over to the 26kingwavymerch.com website. Anything you purchase off that website, don't forget to use the discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. Alright guys, today I'm coming at you with my best 5 tips that I've learned over the years as a waver. Alright, everything that I've learned from, you know, the experience of waving to the point where I'm at right now, I'm gonna come down with 5 of my best tips and I'm gonna give it to you guys. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's stop chatting, let's stop talking, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, so welcome back. So a lot of you guys as beginners in a wave game, I know it's very hard. Okay, it's very hard. It takes time. It's very time consuming. It takes a couple months, you know, to start seeing what you want to see. Start seeing connections about 2-3 months, and then you start seeing connections. Yeah, I'm here to help you guys. All right, so watch this full video and make sure you pay attention, have your ears open, and learn. Hopefully you guys learn something. All right, first thing I'm gonna say before you watch this video, I want you to be serious about waving. Waving is a hard skill. I'm gonna just call it a skill, man, because not everyone can wave up, you know, because it takes a lot of hard work, and if you're not made for this, then I don't think you could become a waver. I don't think you get waves. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication and patience. All right, so if you're not really serious about waving, I don't think this video is for you, so you don't have to watch it. If you're serious about waving and want to become really like elite, then yeah, watch this video. All right, hope this video helps. Let's get started. All right, so my first best tip about waving, all right, this one is very important. Okay, you cannot have waves with a 1.5 on your head. Okay, so you have to let your hair grow out because waves are laid down curls, as you all know. Okay, if you already have curly hair, if you're mixed and you have medium hair already, your hair texture is medium and your hair is already curly, waves will be easier for you. All right, because all you have to do is lay that down and your waves will come in real quick. That's why people like brownie blends, tatted. That's why their waves look like that. It looks so clean, so silky, and they get their waves in less than a month, man, because they already wavy. They already have curly hair. All they have to do is lay that down and their waves is gonna pop up. So waves are nothing to people like brownie blends and people with his hair texture. You feel me? So all they have to do is let their hair grow out a little bit, let it curl up, and then lay it down, and boom. So my first tips, you guys, for if you want to get 360 waves, whatever waves you want to get, is I want you to wolf. I want you to let your hair grow out to a length where it can curl up, because it cannot curl up at a 1.5 or at a 1 or at a scalp. Okay, you cannot have your hair curl up at that level. So I want you to do is let your hair grow out to a level where it can actually curl up, where you can actually see it start to curl. So once you get to that level, that's when your hair is going to start waving up. You're not going to get waves if you stick to a 1.5 and brushing every day. All right, you got to let your hair grow out. Let your hair grow out so you could train it. Okay, so when you wolf, a lot of things happen when you wolf. When you wolf, your hair changes texture. All right, because when you brush a lot, your hair texture changes. It holds in more products, so that means you're gonna have to wash and style more often. You're gonna have to take your wash and styles very seriously. What else happens when you wolf? Your waves get deeper because the top layer of your hair is gonna be wavy, so in order to progress when you're wolfing, you're gonna have to use a harder brush. So when you use a harder brush, that brush is gonna dig deeper down into the scalp, which is gonna force your waves to get deeper, okay? So when you're wolfing and you start brushing with a hard brush, your waves start to get deeper. So when you cut off that wolf, you can see your waves, you can see the definition, you can see your waves better, all right? So wolfing is very important. So that's why this is #1 on my list. You have to wolf. And also when you're wolfing, you have to get a shape up at least every 2 weeks, because when you get a shape up, your waves pop out more, all right? If you're wolfing, you have to be the only one that knows that you're wolfing, okay? Get a shape up every 2 weeks. Keep your hair clean, keep your hair groomed. You gotta groom yourself, man, especially if you got a girlfriend, you're 19 years old and older, you know, get a haircut every 2 weeks. I know the younger kids that's in the wage game, y'all probably don't got money for haircuts every 2 weeks, but if you're 18 and older and you have a job, please get a haircut every 2 weeks. Don't mind me, okay? I don't care. I don't care about my life. I don't care about my waves. That's why my hair be looking so crazy. But I'm working on that, guys. I'm working on that, trying to get a haircut every 2 weeks. At least a shape up, not a haircut, because if you're wolfing, you don't want to cut the top layer of your hair down. You just want to get a taper in the sides and in the back and just get a shape up. All right, so get that every 2 weeks so you can keep your hair clean, keep your waves looking popped out, looking better than it already does, okay? So yeah, wolfing and getting that shape up every 2 weeks, that's a very important thing. All right, guys, so the second tip I'm gonna give to you guys, second of my best tips, is to brush every single day. Please, please, you have to brush every single day. You got to be dedicated, man. You got to be dedicated to this. If you want waves, if you want to become elite, you have to brush every day. There's no days off, okay? I don't take any days off. The only time I take days off, I just said I don't take days off, and then I'm gonna say the only time I take days off. The only time I take days off is when I'm really busy. Like, I have 2 channels, then I have to teach karate, okay? I work all day. Like, sometimes I work all day. I wake up, and I gotta record a video, and I gotta edit. Editing takes so long. I gotta edit, and I gotta upload, and I gotta go to work, and I gotta teach karate, and I gotta record with my girlfriend, and it's just all day. All right, so those are the only days when I'm like, dang, man, I can't even brush today. But before I go to sleep, I always put in a soft brush session to lay my hair down and have it looking good and moisturized and shiny, and giving it some shine and having it looking laid. All right, so brush every day if you want to become elite. There's no days off. You cannot take any days off. Every day that you wake up, you have to brush at least 3 times a day: morning, afternoon, and nighttime. Afternoon should be your hardest brush session, should be your longest brush session, because in the morning, your morning routine only consists of about a medium brush and a soft brush. All right, and then plastic bag, and you just put your do-rag on. Or if you're about to go to work, or you're about to go to school and you can't wear your do-rags to work, you just go in with a medium, with a soft brush, because all you want to do at that time in the morning is lay your hair down. You go in with a soft brush, you plastic bag, put in a couple of products to give it shine, and you rag up. Not in that order, I'm just telling you what to do, but not in that order. You should always put products in before you brush, you know, so you could brush the product in, so you could distribute it throughout your everywhere in your hair. So after you you do your morning routine, you know, put your do-rag on for a couple minutes, 30 minutes. When you get to work, you can take it off and then rock out the rest of the day. And then your afternoon session should be your hardest, because that's when you should add a hard brush in it. If your hair can handle that hard brush, add a hard brush, add a medium hard brush, or no matter how hard the brush is, just make sure that your scalp can handle it. So if you're wolfing for about 8-9 weeks, then I guess your hair can handle a hard brush. Go with hard brush. If it hurts, you're gonna get used to it, okay? Don't just punk out and just be like, oh man, I'm never using a hard brush again, because that's what's gonna give you the progress when you're wolfing. All right, so use a hard brush, then go down to the medium brush for about 15 minutes. Hard brush for about 8-9 minutes. Medium brush for about 15 minutes. Don't forget the vertical brush also, because that's gonna help you break those forks, and that's gonna help you put your waves into position, into the right connections. So hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, plastic bag, and rag up. So yeah, brushing is very important. That's the best thing to do when you want to wave up, when you want to become a waver. All right, so this next one's not, I wouldn't, you know, I don't really do this a lot, but it's a very great tip. All right, a lot of people ask me, how do you lay your hair down, man? How do you lay your hair down, 360 Juice? I'm like, yo, my hair's already trained, okay? I use a soft brush to lay it down some more in a plastic bag, you know? It's just like, dang, I don't take my do-rag off, so my hair's already laid, all right? One thing you could do to maximize the laying process, the laying down process, is to use a thick pomade, all right? When you use a pomade, it holds your hair down, you know, and also keeps it laid. So have a thick pomade in your possession, okay? So when you need to lay your hair down for that interview or that party, you just put on a pomade, you know, get a little brush session and put on a pomade, have it hold your hair down and put on your do-rag, and, you know, and then just take it off, and then boom, your hair's gonna be laid. All right, but I don't really use pomade like that. Maybe I'm gonna start just to show you guys what I'm talking about, but yeah, pomade, thick pomades really help with the lay down process. All right, so moving on to the next one. When it comes to laying down your hair, also with the pomade and everything that I just told you guys about, you can also double compress. Double compressing is really helpful when it comes down to having your hair super laid. All right, when you double compress, it covers the little hairs that be poking out your first layer of do-rag. So if you just wear one do-rag, you could have some hairs poking out, and it's very hard to get those to lay down. So if you double compress, that's gonna take care of that. All right, sometimes you may have headaches. If your hair feels numb, like you can't feel your head, you should definitely take that second layer of do-rag off for like an hour or two, and then put it back on. And if your hair keeps getting numb, take it off and put it back on. I don't think it's safe to keep your do-rag on if your head is getting numb and you can't feel it. Sometimes I'll be having my do-rag on so tight, like I'll be double compressing and my do-rag be on so tight, I tap my head and it just be like, I don't even feel it. That it's sad to say, but I don't be feeling it sometimes, because that's how numb it be. And I'm just like, oh no, that's not safe. Take it off, leave this on, and then a couple hours later, put it back on so I can get the maximum laid look that I want, and then I move on with my day. All right, so double compressing is very important. You could either double compress with 2 do-rags, or you could double compress with a do-rag and a wave cap. All right, just know that double compressing is really important to the laid down process of your waves. So if you want to have really laid hair, you can use pomade, soft brush, and double compress. All right, so when it comes down to the last tip of this video, okay, it's a little different because I'm gonna leave it to you guys. All right, I want you guys to comment down in the comment section. Let me know your best wave tips, man. Because maybe I might learn something new. I've only been in the game for 4 years. I might have some OGs watching this. Give me your best tip, please. Please. Drop down in the comment section. I wanna have you guys in my community as well, okay? So I wanna see what you guys have to say. I wanna conversate with you guys. You know, you guys are my family, man. Like, bro, every day I do this. I wake up and I talk to you guys. Come on, man. So drop down in the comment section your best wave tip, and everyone else that's looking at your comment, it might be helpful, okay? So you want to help somebody out today, go down in the comment section, scroll down, yeah, go ahead, scroll down, type down your best wave tip, all right? And I'm gonna read that. Hopefully I learned something new, man, because I don't know everything, all right, guys? So number 5 tip, I want you guys to write that down in the comment section, so everybody can see your best wave tip, man. I don't want to be the only one teaching. I want you teaching me too, okay? Go down in the comment section and let me get your best tip, man. All right, so guys, that's it for this video, man. I know you guys don't like hearing me chat. I know I be chatting all the time, so just end off this video. I'm gonna have a little wave check I did this morning around 6 o'clock. I just did a wash and style yesterday. Add a little bit of products because I'm about to get a haircut. I'm not gonna cut the top down. I'm just gonna taper on the sides and, you know, and the shape up, taper in the back. All right, so it's not too big. So I'm not even gonna record that video. All right, y'all just gonna see me tomorrow when I record my video. Y'all gonna see I got a fresh cut. You know, your boy getting a fresh cut. It's been 2 weeks. I don't usually get my haircut until 3 months, you feel me? But, you know, today's a special day, you feel me? So I had to get a haircut, man. But, guys, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. We are gonna hit 20K subscribers real soon. I can feel it. Maybe even tomorrow, guys. So I appreciate you guys so much. I love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys found this video very informational, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.